this is Macaluso again for a Littlest Pet Shop video. Hi, Little Star here. Wearing a little hat this time. So, what you need is a bowl of sugar, a whisk, and wait, where's my milk? Mom! Dad! Where's my milk? Oh, never mind. I think I found it. And that was a muffin that just came out of the fridge. Egg. Whatever. Put that muffin in the sink anyway. It's rotten. It has rottened. That in the bowl. Big mixer. And then you will get something that looks like that. Today we're going to make biscuits. So you will need a tray to put it on. So you have pieces on top of each other. You will have some pieces on top of each other, which will look like this. Now, we just put them on top of the stove since, just put them on top of the stove. Don't ask me why. I don't want you to. And then, put our stuff away. And then while that is cooking up there, we're going to make our frosting for our biscuits. And I kind of already got some frosting, so we don't really have to make it. I'll go get it. Frosting is for our biscuits. And I will put away my bowl. For some reason our heads are extremely big. I don't know why. Oh, they're done cooking. Yeah. Done cooking. Ooh, hot! Touch my little furs. And not by the hair of my chin, I will touch those. And once they're all cooked down, stop it. Stop it, big head. And then we will put our frosting on. So, there will be one that is a dark chocolate and one that will be a lighter chocolate. And the lighter chocolate will have some pink frosting on. So you will put it on the bottom. You can tell because it's a circle at the bottom. And then take the hot top and then put it right over in there. And then this is what your biscuit shall look like. And we're going to do the same thing for the other one. Cooking with Emma. Do-do-do-do. And these will be your two biscuits. One that is dark chocolate and one that is light chocolate. And then, after you do that, you eat it! Wait, I already had my sweet today. Mom, Dad, can I have another sweet? Oh, I forgot they were gone. Sorry.
And Barb, I'll see you all later. This tastes really good. I hope you try this at home. And yeah.